Good morning. Today in math, we're going to explore the meaning of the equal sign. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look up at the screen and you're going to see a pan balance. Some blocks are going to appear on each side of the scale. I want you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down to tell me whether the scale is going to balance. Let's try the first one together. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good job, they're equal. Let's try another one. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Not equal because the left one has more. If we add one more to the right, now they're equal. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good job. They're both equal. Thumbs up or thumbs down? The left one has more. If we add one more to the right, that makes them equal. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Not equal. What do we need to add to the left to make it equal? Two more makes it equal. Both sides have 4. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Not equal. This time they're adding to the right because there was more on the left. Now let's take a look at an equation or a number sentence. Let's do 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now, you might think that the equal sign is saying, hey, give me the answer. 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. Well, this is a very common misconception. What I mean by this is you may think that the equal sign means the answer is, because usually that is what your homework is asking you to do. Find the answer or solve the problem. I want you to get used to thinking about the equal sign as asking the question, is what is on the left side of the equal sign the same as what is on the right side of the equal sign? Just like we did with the shapes in the video. For example, 1 plus 3 is the same as or equal to 4. Now, I could also do 4 is equal to 1 plus 3. It means the same thing. 4 is the same or equal to 1 plus 3. It doesn't matter which side of the equal sign has the sum as long as both sides are equal. All right, let's look at a number sentence. Let's try 1 plus 3 is equal to or the same as 3 plus 1. Notice that in this equation we are not solving or finding the answer. It is asking if both sides are equal to each other. We know by just looking at it, it has the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign. They are just in a different order. Whatever 1 plus 3 is going to be the same as or equal to whatever 3 plus 1 is. It doesn't matter how the numbers are arranged. Both sides are still equal to each other. Now we're going to try another one. Let's try 1 plus 3 is equal to or the same as 4 plus 0. For this particular equation, we need to figure out the sum of 1 plus 3 and the sum of 4 plus 0 in order to determine if they are equal to each other. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 0 is also equal to 4. They are both the same amount, so that means that they are equal. So while all this is still fresh in our brains, let's go ahead and do some equations using equal signs and figure out whether they are true or false. everyone go ahead and take out your whiteboards and some counters. We're going to start with 8 is equal to 5 plus 3. Now, your counters are going to help you visualize whether 8 is the same as 5 plus 3. So first, I'm going to take 8 counters and put them on the left side of the equal sign. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to put down 5 counters on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we know the plus side means to add, so I'm going to go ahead and add 3 more to the right side. Okay. Now that we've put all the counters down to represent our equation, let's see if both sides are equal. We know the left-hand side has 8 counters. Does that match the right-hand side of the equation? Let's count to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So now we know both sides are equal. Okay, the next equation we're going to do is 4 plus 2 is equal to or the same as 2 plus 4. Now, if you remember from what we learned a little while ago, we do not need to solve this equation. We should just be able to look and determine whether it is true or false. We know that it has the same numbers on both sides. So it has the same number on both sides of the equal sign. They're just in a different order. Does the order of numbers make a difference? No, because the numbers are still the same on both sides. This means that 4 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 4, making this equation true. Okay, the next one we're going to try is 6 plus 6 is equal to or the same as 5 plus 1. Now, we need to first figure out what 6 plus 6 is and what 5 plus 1 is before we can determine if the equation is true or not. I'm going to start by placing 6 counters on the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we add 6 more, so I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I count all these up, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This equals 12. Now, on the right-hand side, I'm going to place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then add the 1 more for the 1. Then we have 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Okay, so is 12 the same as 6? No, it is not. Therefore, this equation is false or not equal. When something is not equal, you place a slash through the equal sign. That way, you can tell it is false. So remember to put a slash through the equal sign to show that the equation is not equal. Alright, now you're going to show what you know by using your Chromebooks to complete the online pan balance activity. Your goal is to make the equations equal so that they balance the scale. Remember, before you start, don't think of the equal sign as the answer is. Think of it as, is what is on the left side of the equal sign the same or equal to what is on the right side of the equal sign? You may go ahead and begin.